TradeQuote manages your projects all in one place, allowing you to keep track of where each job is at. A project is usually made up of a bunch of smaller jobs that are all quoted at the same time. While making a project, TradeQuote tries to make it quick to gather information so you can catch everything the client is telling you. You can sort out the details after the initial rundown, or do it on the fly if you're quick enough. To create a new project, tap New Project. First, take a photo to identify the project, or skip to take a photo later. When you've got a photo, you can draw on it if you want, or just move on. Now you need to name your project. This can be anything that identifies the project to you. Next, we add a client. If you've already added one, just start typing and it will auto-complete it or give you a list of people matching what you've typed. If you're at the site, you can capture the address here too. If the address isn't quite right, you can edit it from here by tapping the pencil button or fix it later by tapping Next. On iPhone, as soon as you enter the project, it will take you straight to the camera to take a photo of your first job. Otherwise, we tap Add Job. We'll make a quick job so you see how to fill a project, but we'll explain these steps in more detail later. Again, you can draw on a photo for a job. These are the details for the job you're documenting. You can pop something in here or come back to it later if you're in a hurry. We'll put some info in here this time. This is where we add the materials we'll need. We'll just add a few materials here too. So this is the project screen. If you see the subscribe button, you have not yet subscribed. It is worth the money if you're a regular quoter, so please do. The rest of this video will assume you are subscribed. Now, back on the project screen, we have our job images shown at the top and a list of jobs below. On iPad, you can see the selected layer open on the right. You can add a new job by tapping the Add Job button and follow the prompts. To delete a job, swipe left and tap Delete, or tap the Edit button and delete them. Tapping on a job in the list will show you the job breakdown. Tapping the Job Info button allows you to edit the job on iPhone or edit the job details on iPad. Tapping a job image lets you view and edit the image. Tapping the camera will let you replace the job image completely. To adjust the details of the project, tap the Info button at the bottom of the screen. Here, you can change the status of your project to quoting, accepted, declined, or cancelled. You can also change any other details you like, or add some notes to the project. Tap Save when you're done. Since this is a Mates Rates project, we can shift the profit margin slider to change the profit margin to what we like for this project. You can see the job total change. Once you're happy with your quote, tap Finalize to get your output documents. You can preview each document by tapping on it and giving it a quote number or generating one from our presets. You can send or print your quote from here by tapping Send and selecting Email, Print, or any other option you prefer. Or you can send all files at once by tapping Send All. Enter your quote number, tap OK, and choose the option you want for sending it. Now that we have a project, if we go back to the project list, we can see how to find our projects. First, to find them in the list, we can swipe down to find a search field to find that one project you're after. We can also see how far away they are from us by the distance under the map pin. And we can see where they are on the map by tapping the Map button or tapping the Map pin next to the project. And finally, we can delete unwanted projects by tapping the bin button and deleting the one you want, or swiping a project left and tapping delete. Give it a go yourself.